To add the then and now transition on CapCut in 2022. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process. It's very easy, so now without wasting any second, let's head over to CapCut and here tab on New Project. And now I'll select some images I screenshot from Instagram. Add these images. Now you need to go to format. Don't select any images yet and go to format. Select the format and select the 1:1 format. Alright, and now select every image here and do it like this. And fit this image in this square, right? Fit the image in the square. That's what you need to do. Now after you sized all these images, the next step is to... Now after you have added all the images, what you have to do right now is to tap on this and add a transition. And the transition that we want to add is then and now, right here. You can change throughout seconds, milliseconds, and recommend to make. Okay, so now I recommend the image to last around 1 second. Okay, this one as well. All right. Now tap on this again and add then and now, then and now. Repeat the same process. Now if you want, I can make a tutorial on how to add a beat as well over this image, this video. Now tap on this to export. So I hope this video provides you value. Subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.